Ian here with Touratech USA, and these are the main components that come in the fog light or fog light and high beam auxiliary light kits for the F850 GS and the F750 GS. So these kits come in a few different versions. First off, you select whether you have a bike with or without Touratech upper crash bars, because that changes the mounts. And then you decide if you want a setup that's two fog lights, meaning both lights can be activated with a single toggle switch and be turned on or off at any time while you're riding the motorcycle. Or if you want a setup that has one fog light on the ditch side and then one high beam light on the road side, and those ones are wired up a little bit differently. The fog light will be on its own switch that you can turn on and off at any time while the bike is running, and then the high beam will be wired in so that when you turn on your high beam lights, the high beam light itself also turns on. The nice thing about buying one of these kits is they come with everything you need to get them on the motorcycle and functioning. So first and foremost, they come with a very nice mount. This is what the mount looks like for the bikes that do not have Touratech upper crash bars. This bolts in underneath the bodywork, and then the light mounts here. It's adjustable for up and down as well as in and out. Then you've got the two lights. The lights come with their own light guard brackets pre-installed, and they're side dependent. So you'd see this would be the throttle hand side light, and it mounts here to the bracket. This is the clutch lever side light. And then you have two of these ballasts. These ballasts are required to step down the voltage from the motorcycle to make sure that it works properly with these lights. There's also the wiring harness, which is totally included. It's pre-wired with a relay. All you need to do is hook it up into a switched power source on the motorcycle and mount the handlebar switch on the bike, and then also have one lead that goes directly to the positive battery terminal. If you have any more questions about the auxiliary light kits that we make for the F750 and the F850 GS, please visit our website, touratech-usa.com, and thanks for watching this video.